Hi, how you doing? I'm Said Khan from Fellowship.com, and in this video we're going to talk about how to bank, save and own your own traffic to promote affiliate offers again and again. So traffic, as we know, is one of the key um, crucial components required to drive an affiliate marketing business and attain ongoing success. But with the situation of rising advertising costs to acquire this essential traffic, it can be a challenge for some affiliate marketers to sustain and grow. And it may be more difficult, especially when you're promoting low commission products and not earning enough to at least break even on your traffic costs. Therefore, it's vitally important and beneficial for you as an affiliate not to waste any potential traffic. In general, anyway, you shouldn't waste any potential traffic. In fact, you should do the polar opposite, which is to implement strategies to save, or bank and any traffic that you send through paid, free, or marketing, or receive organically. And a proven way to potentially bank and save the traffic is to always be building your email list at every opportunity you get. From your website to your landing pages to your content page, etc. When you build your email list, you nurture your email list, you develop a great relationship with your email subscribers by providing value and being some kind of service, then you can generate literally traffic on demand. So let's go through a very realistic example scenario to illustrate how your email list can provide you with free traffic, generate sales again and again. So just imagine you have a 5,000 person email list, a subscriber list, right? That you've built up a good relationship with those subscribers, and they like you, they know you, they trust you, and you've also signed up to a high converting affiliate offer based on a great product with commissions of $100 for every sale that you generate. So you write a nice email to your email list and you send a broadcast email out informing them about the offer, and you also add a couple of bonuses in there to entice them, to encourage them to buy it, right? And from your one email broadcast to your 5,000 email subscribers, let's say 20 people decide to purchase the offer based on your recommendations and bonuses that you offered. So if we do the maths right, 20 people times $100 equals $2,000, right? So from one email that you generated $2,000 without any advertising and almost effortless marketing, which was to write a simple email and send it to your subscribers. And it didn't cost you any fees and advertising to generate those sales and commissions. So you did all this simply because you had an email list of subscribers which allowed you to generate targeted traffic on demand when you need it. And that's the true power of email list building and email marketing. And that's what I mean by banking and saving traffic, because for every email that you add to your list, you're banking with your email autoresponder and you're saving the traffic that you can use again and again to promote affiliate offers. So the bigger your email list, the more potential for traffic and sales and success for your affiliate marketing business. Therefore, building your email list and working, to nurture that relationship with your email subscribers should be an ongoing, active operational activity in your business. When it comes to building part of your email list, so many different ways and strategies that you can utilize, to build your email list for free and using paid marketing. And here's just a few, proven ideas and ways. Welcome gate or page from the home page of your website. Um, Email opt-in forms at the start, in between, and end of your blog post. Email opt-in forms and sliders on website pages. Pop-up email opt-in forms when people are leaving your website pages, known as exit intents. Hello bar, or welcome, a bar at the top. Notification bar, that is as well. It's known as email opt-in bar at the top of your website that grabs people's attention and signs them onto your email list. In fact, I've got one on Fellowship.com. If you just type in hello bar in Google, you can download it for free. Various social media methods such as Facebook pages, call to action links and Facebook pages, Instagram bio links, Pinterest profile links, YouTube description links. Of course, all these pages, all these links, this should direct to your one of your landing pages, your newsletter, to build your email list. and much more, right? Many more methods. You can just Google it and you'll see so many ways. So to sum it up, right? So always be looking to looking for ways to build your email list and developing a great relationship with your subscribers, because your email list is one single asset that can be responsible for potentially providing you a life-changing income and ongoing success in your affiliate marketing business. Okay, so that's it for now for this video. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. And if you like more stuff like this, visit affiliateship.com/newsletter. Thank you and all the best.